It's your boy Denny KYP. You know we are back, man. We're starting. Okay, we started with the kids, but I don't think this is a kid. Are you a kid? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just asking. Are you a kid? Okay, first of all, before I ask you that dumb question, can you just introduce yourself and yeah, give us your name and you'll see what you add.
Good day. My name is Naomi Mtembu. I'm 23 years old from Waterfall Boven. I am a pageant queen by profession. Outside of that, I am a business management student, or should I say, an almil. Yes. So, yeah.
Okay. It's very nice to have you. So like, okay, this is a very beautiful day today. You see, we are going to enjoy the experience of the book launch and all that. So like my question is like how do you feel about being part of the book launch today, my Jenny My Skills? How do you feel about being part of it?
I feel very humbled and proud. I think this book is gonna teach us that our scars don't actually define us. So I am very interested to learn ukuthi uButsandile usiphatheleni.
Wow. Our scars, they never define us. Like in other ways, if I can break it down, no matter how many times you fall, man, you can't like stick to that. You have to pick up yourself, dust yourself up, and continue, man. Your scars can never define you. So like that's the message. You understand me? So I'm gonna jump to the second question. Sorry. What can you say to the youth, especially to those who have been victimized in any way? What message can you say to them?
I'm just gonna be so short and sweet because it's a very deep
Yeah.
thing. So
All right.
I'm just gonna say, whatever happened to you doesn't define you. So speak out and be loud about what happened to you. Yes, abantu bazothini, but ungakunaki lokho. Speak out ukuthi nalabanye abalandela emva kwakho bakhone nabo ukutikhulumela.
Wow, that's very powerful. Cause like we've seen a lot of people who like get victimized and they don't have the courage to step out and like and expose those who are abusing them. So like the words for today is don't be afraid. If ever you get victimized, doesn't matter if it's your parents, your siblings, your whatever friends or anything. Bullying is bullying. No one there's no one that deserves to be abused in any way. So you should step out and shout out for help if ever you are being victimized. Those words were very beautiful, man. So like, can you just share a motivational speak or words to your peers, those who are your age? You said you're not a kid at first. No, I'm the one who said that. Oh, are you a kid? Answer the question first. How old are you?
I'm 23.
I am not a kid. She's not a kid, right? I don't think she's a kid, man. I don't think she's a kid. So like, what message do you have for your peers,
Um,
especially yeah, those who are at your age, yeah, those are peers.
okay, thank you. So, we live in a generation where the society believes that we should be happy online, but actually heartbroken offline. But
Wow.
I say to the youth, be you, do you. Don't be afraid to be you, and don't be afraid to voice out your opinions. Don't be afraid to walk on the streets with your freedom. I thank you.
Wow, you see, I just wanna. Don't think I didn't understand the phrase. It's just that I want you to elaborate more. What do you mean when you say they want you to be afraid offline and to be? What did you say?
I said the society expects us to be happy
Online
online.
and to
Yes,
be
to
said
be said
offline.
offline.
Okay, what
Yes.
like can you break it down? Okay, it's not that I don't understand it, but for those who are watching, maybe some might be a bit lost, yeah, but it's transparent enough. It's just that I
Mm.
just think she can elaborate even more better. You understand me? So like, can you?
I hope ngizochaza into lekhona,
Yeah.
but um kule generation that we live in now, we live good generation on Instagrams. We see people on Instagrams playing our happily ever after, but
Mhm.
then behind those pictures, they are
Yeah.
actually broken. So that is what I meant by that face.
Oh wow. It comes to the story of peer pressure. Do not allow peer pressure to control you. Don't live for the clouds. The cloud should come to you. Don't chase the clouds, man. Okay, thank you so much. This is very beautiful. It's your boy Tini KYP under the presentation of SA YouTubers. We are here at my Jenny My Scars. Yeah, man, the day is still young, and we are going to have a beautiful day. Thank you so much.
Thank
We
you.
are so glad to have you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Don't you have any goodbye words for the audience? For those who are watching it, kids at home, don't you have like maybe can you just give us your handles? If you have Instagram, Facebook, where can they find you? Where can they find you?
On social media, I am Neami Mtembu on all social media platforms, your Facebook, your Instagram, and your TikTok.
Go and tap in, man. If you wanna see more of that, oh Naomi Tembu, man. You see how cute she is. Go and tap in, man. So like, yeah, shout out, man. It is going to be a beautiful day. Thank you so much. We out.
Emathanjeni enhliziyo yami izinyembe zizaba umfula kodwa wangiphakamisa uma ngibheke emuva ngibona umusa